The John Deere 959M, equipped with a 9.0L PowerTech engine delivering 330 horsepower, is engineered for high performance in the most demanding forestry environments. It efficiently handles timber harvesting, This is a modern sawmill. The Cat 988F wheel loader glides through the workspace, effortlessly gathering huge logs with its mighty claws. Next, a colossal blade comes into play, chopping these logs into perfect sections for the next stage. You're seeing raw logs transformed into sleek wood slices. Blades glide through the wood effortlessly, creating precision-cut panels that are neatly stacked. The entire process is like watching artistry in motion. The John Deere 1270G harvester, boasting a remarkable 170 horsepower. Its ability to navigate the most challenging terrains is nothing short of astonishing. Watching it work amid a landscape cloaked in snow is a breathtaking experience, leaving onlookers in awe of its capabilities. Wow, the air feels just right, and the fog below makes the scene even more dramatic. The chainsaw roars, spitting out large chunks of wood. On the steep cliff, the worker knows it's time to speed up. The helicopter is already waiting.
Pieces probably. Here's the 61.
The forest, blanketed in snow, presents significant challenges for tree cutting. Observe the worker expertly navigating the slick surface as the snow compromises his footing. Such precision and skill are essential in these demanding conditions. I can hardly believe my eyes. A giant pine tree like this. Just look at how powerful the saw must be to slice through such a massive trunk into thin boards, like cutting through a cake. The HSM208F is not just any forestry machine. It's a high-performance wood transporter. Equipped with a roaring 6-cylinder Iveco engine packing 141.4 horsepower, this beast can haul up to 14 tons effortlessly. And to top it off, you can own a used one for just $42,700. A B1001 portable sawmill, buzzing with power and productivity. The skilled craftsman slides the oak into the machine, and before you can blink, smooth, flawless planks emerge. Have you ever seen something this efficient? As dawn breaks, the lumberjack starts his day atop a towering tree. The chainsaw roars to life, shattering the morning silence. The air feels crisp and invigorating.
Here we go.
Just look at that skidder go. I'm fascinated by how it maneuvers through the trees. It's like a workhorse of the forest, tirelessly doing the heavy lifting. It's more than a machine. It's a storyteller of nature's bounty. When big trees fall, it's intense. You feel the tension, then the excitement hits when the trunk crashes down. What would you do if you stood there, watching it happen? The Bandit 21 XP wood chipper is a powerhouse, boasting an impressive 350 horsepower. Its strength is beyond imagination. When it tackles rough, sturdy logs, it roars like a beast ready to crush them. The HSM 904 skidder stands as a formidable beast with its sturdy construction. Look at those massive logs being effortlessly dragged across the rugged terrain. Hats off to the skilled driver.